Hey there, Careblazers. Welcome to the place where we talk about everything dementia. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most important things when it comes to caring and loving somebody with dementia, and that is you, the caregiver. We often spend our days taking care of our loved ones with dementia, taking care of our own families, making sure we're doing the right thing at work, managing our own homes, that we put ourselves on the bottom of the list when it comes to giving good care. And I'm here to tell you that's not something that you can continue doing forever. At some point, it's gonna run you into the ground. And I want you to know that if you don't start taking care of yourself right now, then you may not be around enough to be taking care of your loved one with dementia. In order for you to be the best caregiver, the best husband, the best wife, the best friend, the best worker, you need to be giving yourself time to take care of you. It's not a selfish thing, it's a necessary thing. People who love somebody and care for somebody with dementia, research has shown over and over again that you are at a higher risk for depression, anxiety, heart disease, stroke, heart attacks, a slew of other medical conditions you are at risk for simply because you love and care for somebody with dementia. What that says is that you guys aren't doing a very good job taking care of yourselves, and I get it. Life is busy, hectic. There is never a shortage of things to do. But if you're watching this video, even for a second, you have time to care for yourself, and you can start small, okay? So if you are driving to work, if you are taking a shower, if you are in the bathroom doing your business, if you are having a cup of coffee, eating lunch, whatever the case may be, those are little moments, little nuggets of time that you can steal and take and use for yourself. Whether it is doing a couple of deep breaths, which research does show something that simple sends oxygen to the brain, improves mood, is really good for overall health. So take a couple of deep breaths. Everybody has time for that. Whether you are in the shower and you want to visualize and dream about that ocean vacation that you are eventually going to take when you will never have to worry about your loved one and that things are calm and peaceful, visualize it. What's the worst that can happen? You give yourself some pleasure for a couple of seconds. That's okay. If it's picking up the phone and calling a friend, that always gives you a laugh and always puts a smile on your face. Do it. Pick up the phone. I'm not talking about taking a whole day or a week lavishing at some spa. I'm talking about little nuggets of time that you need in order to be the best person for you and for your loved one with dementia, okay? So I know a lot of caregivers who feel guilty when they take a little time for themselves because their loved one could always use some extra time, some extra attention, another errand to run, right? Guilt is trash. It's not going to do anything. It hurts you. In fact, taking care of yourself, if you feel a little pang of guilt every time you're doing something nice for yourself, you decide to get your nails done, you decide to go out to eat, you decide to call up a buddy, if you notice that guilt creeping in, you need to remind yourself that what you're doing is going to make you a better caregiver. It's going to make you less stressed, more patient, and more able to handle the challenges that are waiting for you, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to comment below and tell us how you're going to steal little nuggets of time this week, what you're going to do to give yourself a little bit of self-care, all right? Thanks for tuning in. Bye.